Now, next experiment, we have to find out the Z parameter of pi network. So this is the pi network. Now, how to write the equations for Z parameter? V1 is equals to Z11 I1 plus Z12 I2. V2 is equals to Z21 I1 plus Z22 I2. Now we have to find out the parameters Z11 and Z21. So what we will do, we will simply put I2 is equals to 0. If we put I2 is equals to 0, then Z11 is equals to V1 by Z1, Z21 is equals to V2 by I1. Means what we are doing, we are open circuiting the port 2. What we have to apply? We have to apply the input voltage. Now we will apply the input voltage 1 volt, 2 volt, 3 volt, 10 volt, it depends on us. Now for this particular experiment, I have applied V1 is equals to 10 volt. So V1 input is equals to 10 volt. Now next will be, this is the kit. This is the kit, and as I have already told you, it's a hard store. As I have already told you that we have to adjust the value of V1 with the help of this knob. V1 and V2 should be adjusted with the help of these two knobs. Now what I will do, I will adjust this value of V1 to 10 volt with the help of the multimeter. This is a multimeter. We will adjust the value of V1 with the help of the multimeter. Now let us see how we will. I have already adjusted it for you. So this should be connected first at V, then this is the multimeter. We are giving DC voltage, so we will set it to DC. This is the knob for DC. We will set it to DC. Now what I will do, I will connect it at this particular point, this point V1, another end negative. Now I have to adjust it to 10 volt. So listen, this is the back side of this particular kit. We have to switch on the supply with the help of this kit. Now what I will do, I will switch on the supply. Now see, this red light blinks. Now we will adjust the voltage with the help of this knob. I have already adjusted the voltage with the help of this knob. Now if I switch on this, you will come to know that this voltage is 10.03 volt, or it is approximately 10 volt, right? Now we have adjusted V1. Now we will make the circuit. Now this is the circuit. Listen, this is the circuit. This is the circuit. So what we will do, positive end is connected to one end of the ammeter. Ammeter means we will say milliammeter. So positive end is going to milliammeter, means this positive end, this positive end is going to positive end of the milliammeter. Positive end is going to the positive end of this milliammeter. See, positive end is going to positive end of the milliammeter. Positive end is going to positive end of the milliammeter. Now next will be negative end is going to 1K. Negative end is going to 1K, means negative end of the ammeter is going to 1K. So we will say this is the 1K. This is the kit. This is the kit. So we will use this as this 1K, this as the 1K. So we will attach it as a 1K. Next will be, now another end of 1K, means same end of 1K is joined with 1K. So we will use this small wire. Another end of 1K. Another end of 1K, and this 1K is joined with this same. See, this is the circuit. Negative is connected to ammeter. Same end of the ammeter is connected to 1K. So we will not do anything. What we will do? Simple. This end 2 is connected to 3. 2 is connected to 3. Next will be another end of this 1K. Another end means which end of the 1K? Lower end of this 1K. Lower end of this particular 1K. So what we will do? Another end means lower end of 1K. This lower end of 1K is connected to lower end of 1K. Where it is connected? It is connected to another 1K. Another 1K means we will say this is the 1K. Another 1K. This is the 1K. Next, now this 1K and this 1K is connected. Means this 1K and this 1K is connected. So what we will do, we will take one wire, this 1K and this 1K is connected, this 1K and this 1K is connected. See, again I am repeating, this 1K and this 1K, which is 1K, this 1K, they are connected with each other. Now next will be, what we have to do, we have to use multimeter. We have already used. Now this 1K and this 1K we have joined. Now this 1K is connected to negative of the supply, this 1K is connected to negative of the supply. This is the value of 1K and this 1K is connected to negative of the supply. Wait, you have to use the long wire. So this 1K is connected to the negative of the supply. Now this is the circuit. Now what we have to do, we have to measure the value of the V2. So how to measure the value of the V2? We will measure the V2 with the help of the multimeter. So now what we will do, V2 is the voltage. V2 is the voltage across this 1K. So this is the value of 1K. 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 So what we will do, we will connect the multimeter across this. So this 1K and this is 1K. Now we have to measure the voltage. So we will adjust it at this particular point. Now if you observe it, you will come to know that this is the value of V2. This is the value of V2, which comes out to be 4.83 volt. And we have to measure the value of current. So this current, see, this current is 14.91 milliampere. So you have to write down this reading, 4.85 and 14.91 milliampere. So we can find out these two parts, two parameters. Which two parameters we can find? Z11 and Z21. How to do the calculations? V1 by I1 and V2 by I1. So this is the first part of Z11 and Z21. How to find? We have completed. In the next video, I will tell you that we have to find out Z12 and Z22. Thank you.